Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate actions. First, confirm the server is reachable with ping or curl so you know networking is not the blocker. Next, gather logs from the web server, systemd or journoctl, and your application. You need context. Finally, list any recent deployments, configuration changes, or certificate renewals because rollbacks are often the quickest fix. Once done, note timestamps and correlate errors to events so you can focus on the most likely cause. You now dive deeper into diagnostics and targeted fixes. Reproduce the failing request with identical headers and payloads. This isolates request-level issues and clarifies whether auth, cores, or routing causes the unknown error. Then, validate configuration files and server syntax, checking virtual hosts, listening ports, and firewall rules. Reload gracefully after fixes. Also test upstream dependencies like databases, caches, DNS, and load balancer health, because a downstream failure often surfaces. You finish by deploying validated fixes and confirming stability. Apply changes in staging, run integration checks, then deploy gradually with a rolling restart to minimize impact. After deployment, monitor logs, error rates, latency, and resource metrics for 10 to 30 minutes to ensure the unknown error is resolved. If the issue persists, increase log verbosity, isolate the failing module, and bisect recent commits to pinpoint the change. One key tip: if you get no clues, reproduce with a minimal configuration to eliminate external variables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.